Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to create a custom, debloated Windows 11 ISO using the Titus Winutil. This allows you to bypass hardware requirements and remove telemetry before you even install the OS. First, you must have an official Windows 11 ISO downloaded from Microsoft's website. Once you have it, open PowerShell as an administrator and run the command irmchristitus.com/winpipiex. In the utility interface, navigate to the Win11 Creator tab. Click Browse and select your official Windows 11 ISO file. Click Mount and verify ISO. The tool will scan the image for valid additions. Once verified, select your preferred version from the drop-down menu. Now, click Run Windows ISO Modification and Creator. This process will automatically strip over 40 bloatware apps, bypass TPM and secure boot checks, and inject a script that allows you to set up a local account without a Microsoft login. This modification takes 10 to 30 minutes. Do not close the window during the WIM dismount phase, as this is the slowest part and vital for saving your changes. When finished, you have two choices. Click Save as an ISO file to create a new disk image on your desktop, or click Write directly to a USB drive to flash it to a thumb drive immediately. And that's it! You now have a lean, hardware-agnostic Windows 11 installer. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.